Ever wondered how we went from this to this? Let's race through 10 epic milestones in transportation history. Horse-drawn carriages ruled the roads before engines were born. In 1886, Carl Benz introduced the first true automobile. Then came the Model T in 1908, bringing cars to the masses. By the 30s, sleek Art Deco cars like the Chrysler Airflow turned heads. The jet age of the 50s brought tail fins and chrome dreams. In the 80s, Japan changed the game with reliable, fuel-efficient rides. Then came the 21st century. Hybrids and electric vehicles arrived. Tesla shocked the world with speed and AI in one sleek package. Now hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron redefine luxury and performance. And the future? Think flying cars and autonomous fleets. Buckle up.